So we got some pretty unique filament that comes in actually 1 kilogram package, but there are 4 rolls, and it's by a company called R3D. So let's go ahead and open it up. So this is a dual color filament, and you get kind of like a sample of these smaller spools that are 250 grams or 0.25 kilograms each. So this is PLA, that's kind of like silk, and it has 2 colors in it. So this is a great way to see if you want to buy a bigger roll or for smaller projects or just more variety. So I'm gonna print out a print from each one of these and we'll take a closer look. Alright, so we printed all of them out. So let's quickly look at them. So the first one here is black and red. And we can see the black, it's more, I would say, like a darker gray. It still looks very nice, very cool. You guys can see how shiny it is, the filament itself. Here we have black and yellow, and I see a lot of green, even though it's kind of yellowy, but it's on more the green side. So also looks pretty good. Here we have black and green, and this one actually looks green. And we got a hint of black there. And the last one is black and purple, and this one looks very nice from the purple to black. So yeah, very cool filament. And the 4 rolls is really nice to try out different combinations. But yeah, this is what this dual color pack looks like.